Good morning, children. Class 5. See Chapter 11, the Solar System. The solar system is made up of Sun, 8 planets and other 172 known moons, asteroids, comets, dust and gases. The planets, asteroids and comets travel around the Sun, the center of our solar system. Sun is the center of our solar system, and the planets, asteroids and comets travel in a circular way around the Sun. Most of the bodies in the solar system travel along the Sun along the circular path called orbit, and that circular path in which the planets travel around the Sun, that circular path is known as orbit. The formation of the solar system began millions of years ago, when gases and dust began to come together to form the Sun, planets and other bodies of the solar system. When the planet, Sun and the other bodies are formed, at that time the combination of the Sun, planets and other bodies forms the solar system. What is the Sun? The Sun provides the Earth with many things like heat, light, food and even the air we breathe. A process called photosynthesis occurs when green plants use sun rays to turn carbon dioxide and water. Carbon dioxide means CO2 and water into carbohydrates, and thus by releasing oxygen that we need to breathe in order to survive. Therefore, life on earth would not have existed without the sun. See, the life without sun is not possible. The sun provides the earth in many things like, see, in earth the sun provides many things like heat, light, food and even the air we breathe. The process known as photosynthesis, the process by which green plants make their food. So, at the time of making food, what the green plants are doing, they are turning carbon dioxide and water into carbohydrate and releasing oxygen, which we need breathe in order to survive. Now, see page number 118. Page 118. Without the sun, the earth would have been a dark and cold place incapable of supporting human life. Without sun, the human life on earth is not possible. The sun is the star and is the center of the solar system. The sun is a star and it is at the center of the solar system. It lies about 2,70,000 times closer to us than the next nearest star. The sun is made up of 75% hydrogen and the rest about 25% of helium. The sun is made up of two gases, hydrogen and helium. 75% hydrogen and 25% helium. The sun is 100 times bigger than the earth. The size is 100 times bigger than the earth. It spins on its axis along the period that varies from 25 days at the equator to 33.5 days near the pole. Now see planets, heading planets, the 4 rocky planets at the center of the solar system. See, the 4 rocky planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars are known as the inner planets, while Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune are all compressed primarily because of gas and are known as outer planets. Inner planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars, and outer planets are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Pluto was considered as the 9th planet, but earlier the Pluto was discovered as the 9th planet, but on 24 August 2006, the International Astronomical Union declared Pluto as a dwarf planet and it is removed from our solar system. Now the solar system contains only 8 planets. Now see Mercury, the planet nearest to the sun, is the smallest planet in the solar system. Mercury is the planet nearest to the sun. The most nearest planet to the sun is Mercury. It is probably a big metal ball of rocky crust. Outside it is seen as a rocky crust and it is a big metal ball. Mercury's surface is covered with craters. That this teeny planet does not have any rings or moons. Now Venus. Venus is the brightest and hottest planet in the solar system. The most hottest and brightest planet of the solar system is Venus. The surface of Venus is a thick crust of dried up volcano lava. About 2/3 of the surface is low, filled with rolling mountains, and the rest is high, flat places and low areas. Now see Earth. The third planet from the Sun is the Earth. The Earth is the only planet where life exists. See, in the 8 planets, the Earth is the only planet. It is the third planet from the Sun, and it is the only planet where the life exists, where the life sustains. There is no other planet in the universe which have the feasibility to bear life like the Earth. In Earth, everything is suitable for the life, for sustaining life. It has a very narrow temperature ranges that allows water to remain a liquid. Life has developed over millions of years because of this liquid. It has an atmosphere made up of nitrogen, a relatively inert gas. See, an atmosphere is there, that atmosphere is made up of nitrogen. Now see Earth atmosphere. In Earth structure, that blue box of page number 119. The inside of the Earth consists of several layers. There are 3 main layers of the Earth's surface: the core, the mantle, and the crust. Core is the inner part of the Earth. And see, the core is a dense ball of elements like iron and nickel. Now the core is also divided into 2 layers, the inner core and the outer core. The inner core is the center of the Earth. It is solid and about 80 miles thick. The outer core is so hot that the matter is always molten. Now see mantle. The layer above the core is the mantle. The innermost layer is the core. Then after that the middle layer is mantle, and the layer above the core is the mantle. It begins about 6 miles below the oceanic crust and about 19 miles below the continental crust. Now the mantle is also divided into 2 layers, the outer mantle, inner mantle. See, the crust. Crust lays above the mantle and is the Earth's hard outer shell. The outer shell of Earth is known as crust. It is the surface on which we live. We live on the crust. It is made up of solid rocks which are divided into continental and oceanic plates. Turn the page 120. See Mars. Mars is the 4th planet from the Sun. Now see Mars. Mars is the 4th planet from the Sun and one of the 5 planets visible with naked eyes. This planet is surprisingly small, with a surface area of only about 38% of the Earth's surface area. Jupiter, the largest and the most massive planet in the solar system, is Jupiter. Underline this: the largest and the most massive planet of our solar system is Jupiter. It could fit 1321 Earths inside the Jupiter. Jupiter is one of the 4 gas giants and is also called the Jovian planet. Which planet is known as the Jovian planet? Jupiter is called the Jovian planet. Unlike Earth, Jupiter has no clear boundary between its atmosphere and the rest of the planet. Now we go in Saturn. Saturn is the 2nd largest planet in the solar system. The first largest planet is Jupiter and the 2nd largest planet is Saturn. It is famous for incredible planetary ring system. It has ring system. Saturn has ring system. Saturn has at least 60 moons orbiting around it. Saturn planet is having 60 moons which are orbiting or revolving around it. Now Uranus. Uranus is the 3rd largest gaseous planet. First was Jupiter, 2nd largest is Saturn, and the 3rd largest is Uranus. It looks blue due to the presence of methane in its atmosphere. Uranus is of blue color because methane is present in the atmosphere. Unlike the other large planet in the solar system, Uranus actually gives off less heat than it absorbs from the Sun. Uranus absorbs more heat from the Sun, but it gives very less heat from the Sun. Neptune. It is the 8th planet in the solar system. It also looks blue like the Uranus. Neptune has quite large rings which are mostly made of particles. Neptune is the 8th planet of our solar system. So it looks like blue, and it is the last planet. Only 8 planets are there in the solar system, and the last one is Neptune. Neptune has quite larger rings. They have large rings around it. Now we have studied till page 120. In the next video I'll continue from page number 121. Thank you.